This review is of Grand Earth Barn Premium 100% Organic Whole Grain White Quinoa. And of course, since it's USDA organic, it's also non-GMO. Kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Gluten-free. Let's see, is there anything else? Nope, there's nothing else. And here are the, it's just organic white quinoa. And 172 calories per quarter cup, 4 grams of fat, none of which is saturated or trans, no cholesterol, only 9 milligrams of sodium, thankfully, 26 grams of carbs, of which 10 are dietary fiber, no sugars, 8 grams of protein. And I'm really hoping that this is just as delicious as the red quinoa, which was just fantastic. Some of the best red quinoa I've ever had. And, that's not saying much, I guess, since I only ever started eating quinoa in, 2017, 2018 maybe? I'd never even heard of it, never seen it. So I didn't even know how to say it correctly. I said, I used to say it a different way, the wrong way. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, since they don't bother to put any instructions as to how much water is to be used on this product, I put in 2 cups of quinoa and 3 cups of water. Hopefully that's an appropriate amount. And here it is right there. Oh, thank you, camera, for actually focusing on it. So, unlike the red quinoa, which has a definite taste and smell, this has a much milder taste and smell. Yeah, it's got a mild smell. I'm not really excited about it. I much prefer the red one's smell. I haven't done the, there's a third one that I have in my cabinet that I haven't done yet. And I'm expecting, since that's like a blackish color, that one's going to have a nice strong smell and taste as well. But, so this is very subdued. Quinoas, any of them are definitely a better choice for your health than white rice, which is basically rice that's been stripped of everything except for the starch. And thus is going to give you a sugar spike. If you want something that's not really going to interfere with the flavor of your food, you're better off, I think, with the white quinoa. So it's got I don't really care for the smell so much. The taste is nice. I can't really give you a definite description of it if you've never had quinoa, but it is certainly very, very mild and not unpleasant. So yeah, I still prefer the red one, but this is fine. So I'll give this a 7, just because, it's about taste, right? It's kind of fun to eat quinoa though, unless you overcook it, because the quinoa kind of pops as you're chewing it, a little bit. If you overcook it by using or you use too much water, then it's not going to pop it. Because I used basically 1.5 cups per cup of quinoa, it turned out this way. So I'd recommend that, rather than some brands recommend 2 cups per cup of quinoa. I think this is better. There's a little ring around every quinoa seed. I'm not sure what its function is, but when you do 2 cups of water, they tend to expand a lot more and pop off. You can kind of see maybe the rings. But with a 1.5 cups, they seem to stay intact, although they're smaller. And most of the rings did not seem to come off. So I kind of like that. I like the popping too. So yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.